Hi, my name's Lyndall, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add pages to an InDesign document. Here's a document I created earlier. I created it using facing pages because that's the way a booklet is usually laid out, with the pages side by side. Now what I want to do is add page numbering to the bottom of these pages. To get started, you'll need to bring up the master pages. To do that, you'll want to go to Window, Pages. Now let's click on the A master. Double click, in fact. You'll see that it brings up a blank double page spread. That's because there's nothing on our A master yet. This is where I want to add my page numbers. Right here and over here. Choose the Type tool. However, firstly, I'm going to show the guides by pressing W on my keyboard. Now I'm going to draw a box with the Type tool at the bottom of the page, approximately where I want it. I'm just going to go right across the guided area at the moment, and then I'm going to go to Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number. And you'll see that it's put the letter A in there. And that's actually really all there is to displaying a page number on a page. Just to prove that, I'm going to go to one of the pages and show you that the page is actually there. I'll just turn off the guides, and that's page 4 in our document. I'll turn the guides back on, and we're going to go back because I just want to do a little bit more tweaking. I think I'll just move it down a little bit, and I'm going to add some text alongside of this, and a pipe character. So I'm going to put in a pipe character first, and then I'm going to add the title of the chapter or the book. I'm going to do that by going back to my title page, and I'm going to copy that using Command C, and then I'm going to go back to my A master, and I'm going to say paste without formatting, and it'll match the style that I've already started. Now that had a force to return in it, so you can see that it's applied to that. I'm just going to insert my cursor at the end, press the forward arrow button, and I'm going to delete the return that was in there. Now that's pretty much what I want in there, but I'm just going to tweak the size of the page number. I think I'll make it a little larger, so I'm going to do that by going up to Type and Size. I'll make it 14 point. And while I'm there, I'm going to change the colour to one of the colours that I've used in the document, which is blue. And I'm going to change the colour of the pipe character to another colour, which is orange, that I've also used in the document. And I'm going to change the other additional text that I put into the blue as well, but I think I'll make it a tint of the blue so it's not quite as overpowering, about 70%. And I think I'll change that text while I'm there to an italic version of the text. And I'm pretty happy with that. I'll just click away from that at the moment, and if I want to, I can turn those guides off and I can see what it looks like. Looks good. I'll turn the guides back on for the moment, because what I want to do now is copy that and paste it all over to the other side. So click on it, Command C, Command V will paste, and then if you come and paste it over there, you can see that it's automatically lining up with the other one. That's great. What I want to do though, however, is make it all align to the outer edge. So I need to do that by going up and changing the alignment here to align right. and then I actually want to flip where the page number sits compared to the text. So I'm going to grab that page number and I'm going to cut by doing a Command X. I'm going to go to the end of the line of text and I'm going to paste using Command V, and then I'm also going to cut out the orange pipe character and the spaces on either side of it with Command X, and I'm going to go in between the T and the A and I'm going to Command V, paste it. And I actually am going to change the text on this side and say a learning resource. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go and look at it and see what it looks like on the pages. Of course, it's not appearing there because I haven't told it to use the A master yet. So we'll turn each of those into an A master page, and you can see that those have appeared on there. Now, at the moment, I'm not exactly very happy with the way that they're looking, and I probably should put the A masters on these as well. Looks fine on this side. I'll just turn off the guides, but you can't really see it on these darker backgrounds, so we're going to need to fix that. And I don't really want it to appear on the title page, so the easy way to fix that is to basically override page numbering, is to basically grab the none and drag it to it, and it will replace it with a nothing master page. So I think I also don't want it to appear on the table of contents page, so I'm going to do the same to that page. So it's gone. And then I want to change the way it looks on these pages with the darker backgrounds. There's probably more than one way to do this, but the way that I'm going to show you is we're going to go back up into the A master, and we're going to hold down Shift and click both pages, and then we're going to go to the drop down menu and we're going to say duplicate master page or master spread A master, and when you look, it's created a B master, and you can see there's the A master and the B master. So we're on the B master. We know that because it's actually put the letter B instead of the letter A. We leave that alone. However, what we're going to do is create a version that's white. So we're going to go here, we're going to make that paper colored, and I'm not actually going to make this white, but what I'm going to do to it is I'm going to reverse the color right back to say a 30% blue, which is a light blue. And similarly, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So 30%. And then the B, I'm going to make completely white. I think the orange will be fine on the background that we've got, but I could decide to change that at some later stage. Let's now go back to our layout and have a look at that. And of course, what we've got to do is we've got to drag the B master just to that page. And yes, that looks a whole lot better. We'll do the same on the next spread. And that's looking really good. So really, that's all there is to creating a page number on an InDesign document using master pages. Thanks for listening.